Starting around 20 January 2024, Axie boundlessness certainly is exchanging at $7.72 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.22% in most recent 60 minutes, which by and large is very critical. Axie especially has a kind of all-out market cap of $1,047,467,801, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $73,734,623, which truly is very huge. This essentially makes Axie boundlessness, Axie, fundamentally positioning at 61 in the cryptographic money market, which essentially is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the Axie limitlessness cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Axie vastness especially be somewhat worth in 2024, or so they essentially thought. Is Axie limitlessness a wise speculation or certainly worth purchasing in 2024 in a sort of enormous manner? Will Axie's value sort of outperform its record-breaking high? These in a real sense are our Axie limitlessness cost expectations for Axie's future in an unpretentious manner. Axie vastness, Axie's value expectation 2024 as per the Axie limitlessness conjecture constants, besides Axie can basically arrive at a very greatest value level of $13.12, which generally is very huge. Axie's value figure January 2024. The Axie vastness conjecture for January 2024 expects that the Axie may explicitly arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $8.66, with a genuinely least cost of around $7.62 in a genuinely significant manner. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value Axie can generally stretch around $8.42 for January amazingly. Axie vastness value estimate February 2024. The very normal cost of Axie could essentially be exchanging around a by and large greatest worth of $9.09, with the for the most part least expected cost of $8.27, or so they really thought. Axie boundlessness value expectation walk 2024. The cost of Axie vastness explicitly is generally anticipated to sort of reach at a truly least worth of $8.45 in walk 2024, so Axie limitlessness value forecast walk 2024. The cost of Axie endlessness really is explicitly anticipated to sort of reach at a sort of least worth of $8.45 in walk 2024, which especially is genuinely critical. The Axie's cost could basically arrive at a really greatest worth of $9.43, with the very normal exchanging worth of $8.85 all through 2024 in an exceptionally significant manner. Axie endlessness, Axie, value figure April 2024. The Axie boundlessness, Axie, cost for April 2024 may sort of arrive at a sort of least worth of $8.88, while the genuinely most extreme gauge cost really is around $9.87, exhibiting that basically is Axie vastness, an especially wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2024, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The in every practical sense, normal cost for Axie is certainly anticipated to sort of reach $9.20 in April 2024 in a for the most part significant manner. Axie's value figure May 2024. Concerning May 2024, Axie limitlessness all things considered is supposed to fundamentally arrive at a very least value worth of $9.17 in a significant manner. The Axie's cost could sort of arrive at an in every practical sense greatest cost of $10.24 with the by and large normal cost around $9.57, demonstrating the way that discussing the especially normal value Axie can generally stretch around $8.42 for January in a sort of enormous manner. Axie limitlessness, Axie, value estimate June 2024. The Axie endlessness, Axie, cost for June 2024 may especially arrive at a really least worth of $9.44, while the greatest determined cost especially is around $10.62, showing the especially normal cost for Axie fundamentally is in a real sense anticipated to for the most part reach $9.76 in June 2024, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie endlessness, Axie, value conjecture July 2024. The Axie boundlessness, Axie, cost for July 2024 may in every way that really matters arrive at a kind of least worth of $9.56, while the especially greatest estimated cost is around $11.01 in a by and large significant manner. The especially normal cost for Axie most certainly is especially anticipated to truly reach $9.96 in July 2024, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie limitlessness, Axie, value expectation August 2024. The cost for Axie vastness in August 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $9.86 and $11.41, or so they by and large thought. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to really be around $10.26, showing the way that discussing the genuinely normal value Axie can stretch around $8.42 for January, which especially is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness, Axie, value estimate September 2024. The Axie endlessness, Axie, cost for September 2024 may truly arrive at least worth of $10.16, while the extremely greatest determined cost fundamentally is around $11.82, so Axie value figure May 2024. With respect to May 2024, Axie limitlessness generally is supposed to explicitly arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of $9.17. Which by and large is very huge. The by and large normal cost for Axie explicitly is in a real sense anticipated to truly reach $10.57 in September 2024, which generally is very huge. Axie vastness, Axie, value expectation October 2024. The cost for Axie endlessness in October 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $10.56 and $12.24 in an unobtrusive manner. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $10.88, showing the way that Axie could in every practical sense be exchanging around a sort of most extreme worth of $9.09, with the truly least expected cost of $8.27, which truly is genuinely critical. Axie value gauge November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Axie vastness in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense arrive at any rate value worth of $10.70, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Axie cost could truly arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $12.68, with the typical cost around $11.10 in a huge manner. Axie limitlessness, Axie, value figure December 2024. For December 2024, the cost of Axie boundlessness generally is certainly anticipated to arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $11.54, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $13.12 and an exceptionally least of $11.14, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Axie infinity's cost by and large has shown a great increment of 1.06% in the very most recent 24 hours, exhibiting that Axie vastness, Axie, value conjecture September 2024. The Axie limitlessness, Axie, cost for September 2024 may arrive at a genuinely least worth of $10.16, while the extremely greatest gauge cost for the most part is around $11.82, so Axie value figure May 2024.